Clearing the RAM cache in Windows 11 and Windows 10 can offer several benefits, including improved system performance. Over time, the RAM cache can become filled with temporary data and unused processes, which may slow down system performance. Clearing the cache frees up memory resources, allowing the system to allocate more RAM to active processes and applications, leading to smoother overall performance. So watch this tutorial to learn how to clear your RAM cache in a quick and easy way. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download RAM Map. Double-click the RAM map file you just downloaded. Create a new folder and name it RAM Map. Drag the RAM map files into your new folder. Right-click the Start menu and select Task Manager. Click on Performance. Click on Memory. Open your new folder. Double-click the RAM map file. Press Yes. Click on Empty. Select Empty Standby List. Now you'll see how your RAM cache is emptied. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.